Care means to me is basically it kind of gives me the feeling that I have an effect. I as a person have an effect on healthcare. I have an effect on life. Whatever I do, my job, trickles down, and it will probably, hopefully, save a life or help somebody have a better quality of life.
I think that Kaweah Care means to me that we are providing the best customer service to our customers. Any calls that come in, from just the littlest thing, from resetting a password to just the largest amount of trouble possible. If we stay in the extra minutes, the hours it takes to get the job done.
Kaweah Care should be about our patients. Kaweah Care should be about the experience of our patient and their family.
We saw Kaweah Care breaking up into two parts. We had to provide outstanding service to our customers, and in order to do that, we had to provide outstanding service to ourselves.
I think Kaweah Care to me is actually going the extra mile, whether it's a patient or customer service, making the impossible possible.
Weeks ago, we had an end-of-life patient, and it was a request for ISS to set up a video conference for the patient with his family in Mexico.
This was a really big opportunity to help this patient out, and show, Kaweah Care too.
And basically the first couple of days when we were setting up the video conference and teaching the family how to use the Skype and how to use the video conference, this patient wasn't aware of the surrounding. He was looking at us, he was looking at the camera, but no reaction.
We were able to finally connect and get it started, and we were excited and ecstatic, and was able to bring the laptop over to the patient. But he was kind of still medicated, so it was kind of hard for him to respond.
They took the patient off of medication. You see this patient is in a lot of pain, just the face impression. And you see all the alarm going off, very high blood pressure, so the poor guy, is suffering, but he was just waiting to meet his family.
I was talking with the patient's family, and then we finally decided to, set up something where the whole family could, his whole extended family could gather up.
We started the video conference, and as soon as he saw his daughter, just his face just got bright and a big smile on his face. And when they brought his grandchild, that was just totally a different story, The patient who doesn't have really enough energy to do anything, now suddenly he started blowing kisses for his grandson.
Being able to talk to that patient's family, and their reaction was, they're very appreciative, happy, happy to have this opportunity. It's not like every day we get this opportunity to make a patient's family happy by using Skype and being able to use this technology so he could view his extended family.
I think we made different in somebody's life, we made it happen so his family could see him at least for one more last time.
I think things are changing because I see people recognizing the things, little tasks that we do.
Well, ISS provides tools that allow us to reach out to our employees and helps us promote spiritual growth and compassionate living.
They provide access to the internet for our patients and families from anywhere in the hospital. It's the small things like that that create an environment of care.
We rely very heavily on our internet service, which is provided by Kaweah Delta, and our telephone service. And communication is essential in providing an efficient, successful program.
What the hospital is providing for us, connectivity to the internet, phone systems, support of the administrative systems, support of email systems in the field, is allowing us to do this. So the hospital is a direct contributor to the children's achievement in the field.
Now I can come into work and I can make a difference. I can choose to come in with a bad attitude, or I can choose to come in with a good attitude. Either way, it's up to me.
I've been here 10 years, and I can see a huge difference in this department.
We have a tool that allows us to see what our coworkers really think about us and how we do our jobs.
Before there was teamwork, but you would have to go ask for it.
whereas now people are volunteering to help.
We like to do a lot of things outside of work as well, whether it's barbecuing or movies or whatnot. It just kind of breaks the monotony of things, and also meet our families too.
I work with such a great team that they were willing to step up and help out and take ownership really, and that's really what it's about. Kaweah Care isn't one person. It isn't a manager or a director or one outstanding employee. It's really a whole department taking little bits and pieces of it and taking ownership. And that's where you really get something special that starts to happen, and you get the organizational change that you're looking for.
And I will try